Let's learn how to subtract larger numbers with regrouping. This is steps to success. In this question from a previous SATs paper, we have 1,004,235 subtract 52,346. And our steps to success, our success criteria for this question will be I can align the numbers, I can subtract from right to left, and I can regroup when the top digit is less than the bottom. Our first step is we need to align. So what that means is essentially we're going to write the numbers out and align the place value. What we need to do to make sure they align is that the ones digits, so it's that 5 and that 6, they are in the same column. Now the ones column is the best column to look at because every single number, no matter how big or how small, will have something in the ones column, even if it's a 0. So let's align. We have 1,004,235 subtract 52,346. And just double check, the 5 and the 6, they are in the same column. We have aligned the numbers. Now we are going to subtract from right to left. So that means we are going in this direction. So we are starting in this column. And the third success criteria, whenever the top digit is less than the bottom, we are going to regroup. So here we have 5, take away 6. Now we cannot do that. If I have 5 chocolates, I cannot give 6 of them away. So what we need to do is regroup. So we are going to look at the column to the left, which is this 3. And we are going to take one of them away and bring them back. Now, because this has come from a bigger place value column, that is not a 1 we are adding to this 5, it is 10, because it's come from a bigger place value column. So this is now 15. It is not 1 plus 5, it is 15. Now the last thing we need to do, because we've taken 1 from this 3, write the new number above it straight away. That is very important, because when we get to subtracting this column, we need to use this new number. 15 take away 6. That is 9. 2 take away 4. Well, we cannot do that. So again, go to the column to the left. We're going to take one of them and bring them back. We are not putting it in front of the 3 because that is no longer 3. This is a 2. So we're going to do it here. So this isn't 1 plus 2, this is 12. Remember, we've taken it from the bigger place value column and brought it back. So the value of this is 10. And the last thing we need to do is write the new number on top. Now we can calculate. 12 take away 4 is 8. 1 take away 3, well, we cannot do this. This is a question with lots of regrouping. So to the column to the left, what are we going to do? That's it, cross it out. Bring one across. So this is now 11. Some people like doing a small one when they bring it across. There's nothing wrong with that. It's your preference, as long as you know what number that is. So we've brought the 1 across, and this 4 now becomes a 3 because we've taken 1 from it. So now 11 take away 3, that is also 8. 3 take away 2 is 1, no regrouping this time. And here we have 0 take away 5. We cannot do that. So we need to regroup. So look at the column to the left. That's a 0. We can't actually take anything from a 0. So we need to do it in 2 steps. So let's move across. Let's cross out this 1, bring it here. Okay, that is now 10. Write the new number, don't forget. Now that this is 10, we can now regroup. So cross out the 10. Bring it across. This is now 10. That becomes 9. Now 10 take away 5 is 5. 9 take away nothing is 9. 0 take away nothing is 0. You can put the 0 in there if you want. You don't need to. So don't forget to write the answer in the box. So 1,004,235 take away 52,346 is 951,889. It is optional whether you do the comma or not. You just need to remember to use it consistently. whichever you choose. So I'm going to choose to put the comma in, and there we have it. This has been Steps to Success. If you want more questions practicing this skill, let me know.